G'day guys, Greg here. Well, today I've come to a local Aussie pub to try something called a share plate. Now, what's a share plate? Well, I don't know. Well, we're gonna go in and get one and suss it out and see what it's like. Let's do it. Alright, well, I've done my order. Today I'm getting the share plate. Now, the share plate has got lemon pepper calamari, halloumi fries, spicy fried buffalo chicken wings, Jack Daniel's barbecue pork ribs, and dipping sauce. Now, unfortunately, we didn't get the calamari rings today because someone told us not to. So we got fries instead. How about we start off trying some of this stuff? These chicken wings look good. Let's start with this. Yeah, so what was this? Buffalo, was it? Buffalo something? Who knows? Buffalo soldier. Oh, it's got a nice crispy coating on it. How many's there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's like 12 there. And these taste good. Yeah, mate. Now this is a halloumi fry. Good. Wonder what this will taste like. Looks a bit greasy and oily, doesn't it? Hopefully it tastes good. Oh. Very salty. If you're not into halloumi, you might not like it. It's funny because when you're chewing on it, it sort of makes that squeaky sound in between your teeth. Here we've got the Jack Daniel's barbecue pork ribs. I prefer it in Coke, but it might taste good with some pork ribs. Let's find out. Well, it's so tender. Look at this. It's just peeling apart. Man, that's melting in your mouth, that stuff. I love to suck it off the bone. That's what she said. Let's try their fries. They're a good size. That's what she said. And well, what's this sauce here? This looks interesting, whatever this one is.
I think they call it aioli.
Aioli. That sounds foreign. This place always does a good fry, that's for sure. And look, what's this over here? And here we've got a garlic bread with bacon and cheese. Look at this. This looks absolutely so tasty. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. It does. I'm really liking that. That tastes really good. I think I'm going to have to make this at home. So there you go, there's the share plate from the Mermaid Waters Hotel. I'll tell you what, 39 bucks. I think I'll be going next door and getting 4 chicken schnitzels with 4 pots and with chips and fries and with a salad as well for 10 bucks each before I got this. But this does taste very nice. Anyway, there you go, there's a share plate from an Aussie hotel. What do you reckon? Will you be coming here to get one? I'm guessing you won't be. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time I eat something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger